Hey, Cleaning and Cocktails and Route family. So last night we had a great event here in Las Vegas. It was a Cleaning and Cocktails penthouse party. I have Ramsey here with me from Staples, and the reason I have him up is I didn't get a chance to actually introduce him last night because he was late. Just walked in, hour later. Nah, all jokes aside, hey, I wanted to give him a chance to introduce themselves and really give us a reason why you feel Staples wanted to be a part of that event.
Listen, Ricky, man, I'm trying to make some moves here, trying to take advantage of my time. We were taking some customers out to dinner, but sorry, we were 6 minutes late.
The hustle's real.
Like you were right on time. I didn't know you were going to be that regimented, but I like it.
I never am.
But I'm proud to be part of the Staples team here. I run our business development team, focus on commercial real estate, property management companies, and building service contractors. And this is our first time having a booth here at ISSA, and it's going really well.
Nice. So Ramsey, what gets you and the Staples team excited for not just the cleaning industry, but for that small to medium-sized cleaning contractor space?
Yeah, no, that's a great question. I think that's a niche that we like to promote on our end is servicing those small to mid-sized PSCs, just because our delivery model is set up that we can accommodate small orders in a much more timely fashion than our competitors. So that's a niche that we want to promote, and then we feel like we'd be a good value add to your customer base in that sense.
Nice. Is there anything you want to say about what's coming up in 2024? I'm just saying Route, Staples, NSA, I don't know.
Absolutely. let me just kind of take a step back. Staples, everyone associates us with office products, right? But Jansen is the key vertical that we're promoting and we're actually investing in from a headcount and resource standpoint. So we're going to continue to grow in 24. And then, from how it pertains to your line of business is our ability to support the NSA. NSA has been a huge partner for us, and that's going to be a focal point for us to pursue in 24.
Nice. Well, Ramsey, thank you so much.
Yeah, man. Thanks for having me.
Cleaning family, peace out. We're here at the ISSA show 2023. Ramsey, thank you so much for all the support, my man.
Yeah, man. Look forward to working.